Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a disassembly video of the Lenovo Cardio 2. Now I was doing a water test of this. I put it in 1.5 meters of water for 10 minutes and it failed. So water has gone in. Let me just show you that. Okay, so there is water inside the sensor here and there's water in the screen also. So now it's not working. I tried putting it in the rice. I kept it for 2 days and it did not recover, so it's gone. So let's go ahead and do a disassembly and see how it actually looks like from inside and figure out where the water actually went in from. Now this is a one-piece plastic thing. Now this entire back body is one piece. So you cannot open it from here. So the opening place is the screen itself over here. Okay, so let me try opening this up. Wow. Okay, so that's the amount of water that has gone in. So definitely this had to go bad. Now, the surprising thing is they have actually tried to seal it so nicely. Now you see that I actually had to break the entire thing. So the screen has broken. Now this entire thing is plastic, it's not glass. So the screen has broken. Now you can see the water over there. So there's that much of water which has gone in. So 5 atmosphere is a big time flop for this one. It cannot even handle 1.5 meters. 5 atmosphere is actually 50 meters of water. So I don't know what has happened here. Why has Lenovo actually done this? But did not expect this from a big company like that. Okay, so that's how it actually looks like. Now you have this colored glass over here. That's the screen size. Now this is one more thing that they have done which is really weird. Now the screen is actually that big, but all the display that comes up, like your exercise data and everything, goes like this. So it's a 2-digit one instead of a long thing. And they forgot to put orientation setting. So if you want to use this, you can only use it on your left hand because the entire orientation is this way. If you put it on your right hand, then it'll all show the data that side. So you'll have to keep doing the dance move like that to see the time or do whatever. So let's open this up. Now there are some screws. I see one screw here. I think there should be one more here. Yes, there's one more here. Okay, so let's take a closer look at this now. Now there is a lot of water damage. The water has gone in 2 days in the rice and still the water was not able to come out. That means that the seal is very good in keeping the water in, but it's not that great with keeping the water out. Now this is the heart rate sensor over here. So that's the heart rate sensor. Now even that has water inside it. So anyways, now this is your charging port. So 4 connections over here, 2 for power, 2 for data. And then the heart rate sensor goes on to the PCB, the motherboard. Oh, it actually switched on. Wow. Okay, so after the disassembly process, this actually switched on. So that's great. Now that I cannot put it back again, so I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'll maybe keep it as a showpiece somewhere. So this is the vibrator. So you have a circular vibrator over here, and then you have the small 100 mAh battery over here. So that's also good. The battery life on this was decent, so I could actually get like 5-6 days out of it. That was fine. Now even with all that water damage, it actually managed to come back on once the water was removed a little bit. So as soon as I wiped out the water from here, it actually managed to come back on. So that's a good sign. Maybe if I would have kept it in the rice for a week or so, I guess, I don't know, it may have worked. But anyways, this is how it looks like. So the battery is here, the vibrator is here, the circular vibrator is here, and the entire PCB is this. So these are the connectors. So basically they just go onto here, onto this over here, and then the screen comes on top. So that's basically it. Now I was thinking of repairing it. Now it is fixed. Now let me see if the heart rate sensor comes on. Okay, surprisingly even the heart rate sensor is switching on. It's working. So maybe I'll make a different kind of a design with it. Maybe I'll make it turn it into a chest monitor, chest heart rate sensor. I'll try to make something out of this that way. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.